G'day, it's Aaron here again from Mayfair Plumbing. Today I'm here to talk to you about a new Warthog hydrojetting nozzle that we recently purchased. So you'll see it here, brand new, it's been in the drain a few times. And what I want to show you is how you're actually supposed to care for these nozzles so that we can prolong the life of it, given, they're the best part of $1,600 to purchase. You really don't want to be, buying one every few months. So what you want to do after every drain clean, if possible, is, bring it into the workshop if you've got one, or the back of the van. And you're going to see on the side of the nozzle, it's got this little flathead screw. And you undo that with a flathead screwdriver. And then you want to also take this black rubber seal off, just with the flathead screwdriver again. Just pop it off and take it back out. And then what you'll need to purchase is one of these syringes, which you fill up with, it's called 119 viscous oil slow. And you put that in the syringe, and then you screw that end into the hole where you've taken the screw out of the Warthog nozzle, and you just push a bit of this fluid through until you start seeing it coming out where you've removed the black O-ring seal from. You give that a wipe out until you start getting the clear fluid coming through, and then that's basically done until the next drain clean. So then you just carefully push the black rubber seal back on, and make sure you definitely put the flathead screw back in, nip it up tight, and away you go. And that's how you're supposed to increase the length of the Warthog nozzle. You don't want it going in the drain, spinning around, sounding like a Formula One car. You want it to be in the drain when it's working, sort of making, a gradual, gentle whoosh, whoosh noise, that it sounds like it's actually, gently clearing the drain. When the Warthog nozzle's worn out, you'll typically hear plumbers referring to it sounding like it's screaming, or like an F1 car running through the drain. It's not clearing the drain properly when it's done that, and it's probably beyond repair, and it is time for a new one. So providing you're going to follow these few little tips today, then the likelihood is you'll get a good lifespan out of a nozzle that's costing you $1,600. So hope that's been of some help for you. Good luck. Cheers.